In this tutorial, you'll learn how to assign kits to users. You added the accessories to the kit and specified the total number of each accessory. You also linked the kit to a stockroom. You also must ensure that the accessories in the kit were received in sufficient quantities in the linked stockrooms before you assign the kit to users. You select the user you want to assign the kit to and the stockroom. And you specify the total number of each accessory that is to be included in the kit. You repeat this process until you assign the starter kit to all new joiners.